Looking for the best barware set for yourself or a friend? We've spent hours researching the top barware sets on the market and put 5 to the test. We've considered the pros and cons of Boston, cobbler, and Parisian shakers, put strainers, jiggers and muddlers to the test, and have purposefully mishandled pieces testing their durability, quality, ease of use, and value. After making lots of cocktails and sharing them with friends, we're ready to help you find your perfect barware set. If you're looking to stock your home bar, our experts are here to help. For hops lovers, we cover the best beer glasses for all your favorite brews. If whiskey is your liquor of choice, take a look at some of the top-rated whiskey glasses. Prefer vino? We got you covered. There are numerous options for cheap best barware, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best barware from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Mixology and Craft 14-piece kit. The Mixology and Craft 14-piece kit is our favorite cobbler shaker barware set. This stainless steel kit is simple to use, and it has all of the items that an aspiring at-home bartender needs to make an extensive range of drinks, including a Hawthorne strainer, pouring spouts with a snug fit. Make precise measurements into the classic double jiggers a breeze. Still, pay extra attention when measuring because the traditional measurements that most drinks are made with 3/4 and 1/2 ounces are not the measurements marked on these jiggers. One is marked 1/2 and 1 ounce, and the other T and 1 ounce. The shaker was not difficult to use with only one hand, despite our lead tester's hands being on the small side. Number 2. Cresimo Cocktail Shaker Set. The Cresimo Cocktail Shaker Set offers simplicity and quality at a reasonable price. This basic 3-piece 18/8 stainless steel set with cobbler shaker, classic double jigger, and European spoon includes everything you need to make basic cocktails without getting too complicated. The 18/8 stainless shaker weighs 8.5 ounces and has 0.62 mm thick walls, which are the thickest of all the cobbler shakers we tested, giving it extra rigidity. We measured the tin as holding 25 ounces of liquid, which we enjoyed because we could make 3 drinks at a time instead of 2. Unlike some cobbler shakers that seize shut after shaking due to contraction of the steel, the cap of the Cresimo shaker was easy to remove with a slight tug. Number 3. ALOONO 11-piece cocktail shaker set. The black ALOONO 11-piece cocktail shaker set is our favorite Boston shaker set because of its weighted tins. With a weight of 16.48 ounces, they feel rigid and nice in your hand. The set includes a well-made Hawthorne strainer, which has the best tin interface of all strainers in our review. Its tightly wound spring coils fit snugly against the tin, and its head fits perfectly over the tin, helping prevent spills and leaks. The stainless muddler has a rounded top on the handle, which is comfortable in hand and easy to use. We also appreciated the snug fit of the pouring spouts on the bottles. They require a little tugging to remove, giving us peace of mind that they won't accidentally come loose while pouring. The set includes a Japanese-style double jigger whose design is comfortable to hold and pour with. Interior measurement lines of 1/2 3/4 and 1/1/2 are welcome when pouring and accurate. Number 4. Nice and compact for traveling Barillio Black Shaker Set. The Barillio Black Shaker Set is compact and travels well. Featuring a black storage bag, it includes the basics to make a drink just about anywhere. It has a cobbler shaker, classic double jigger, pouring spouts, a muddler, and a European bar spoon. We like the shaker's weight, 8.7 ounces, and are pleased with how easily the cap comes off after shaking. However, we did notice that the 1/2 ounce measurement on the jigger is slightly under the lip instead of at the top. One of the downsides to this set is that the stainless steel has a black coating that should only be hand washed to prevent peeling and discoloring. All of the set's pieces except for the spoon fit into the tin, and the spoon fits easily into the bag, making it a great choice for picnics and other outings. Number 5. FineDine Premium Cocktail Shaker Set. The FineDine Premium Cocktail Shaker Set was the only set we tested whose tools have rough and sharp edges, and whose stainless steel surface is easily scratched. Both the tin and Hawthorne strainer came out of the box with markings on them. We were not fans of the screw top on the Japanese spoon, and felt it could easily get lost. The Hawthorne strainer's spring is loosely coiled and fits poorly to the tin. One feature we appreciated about the set was that the shakers easily came apart with a tap of the palm after shaking. However, in comparison, many of the other sets we tested are much higher quality for just a few dollars more. We recommend passing on this set. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.